What items are not allowed in checked luggage? If you're planning to travel, make sure you don't pack restricted items in your checked luggage. Here's what you need to know. Explosives and flammable items. Explosives, fireworks, and flammable items like lighter fluid, matches, and aerosol sprays over a certain limit are strictly prohibited. They pose serious safety risks. Batteries and electronics. Lithium-ion batteries, power banks, and electronic cigarettes are not allowed in checked bags. Always carry them in your cabin luggage to avoid fire hazards. Compressed gases and toxic substances. Compressed gases like butane, propane, and tear gas canisters are restricted. Also, avoid packing toxic substances such as pesticides or bleach. Perishable and valuable items. Cash, jewelry, passports, and fragile electronics should never go in checked luggage. Medication and liquids. If you need prescription medication, carry it in your hand luggage along with any essential liquids under airline limits. That's it for now. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.